This is Matt, and this will be a video on how to download IntelliJ IDEA, the popular IDE. So I'm right here on the main downloads page. It's kind of tricky to find. So what I've done is I have this URL right here as a link just below in the video description. So you can just click that link and wind up here, and you don't need to go searching or anything like that. So it will know straight away what machine you're on. It has recognized that I'm on a Mac with Apple Silicon. If I click there, I can get the Intel version as well. So there's also Windows and Linux options, and we can click here also for other versions. So there's a whole bunch of other versions from all different years. You can flick through and check out some of these, and you can check out there's a Linux version, a Windows version, and of course the Mac OS versions there. So I'm just going to go back one space, and we have the Apple Silicon, which is what I have right here. So once you've selected the one that you want, all that's left to do is click this blue download button, and just like that, it will automatically download. You see the icon has gone flying up there. So I'm on Google Chrome on my Mac, so it goes directly, files and folders go directly to the downloads folder. But depending on your browser, you will find the installer in the downloads location. Hopefully you found this video useful. If you have, drop this video a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like